Hi, my name is Adam. I'm from Westlake, Texas. I'm in the insurance industry. One day, my son and I were driving northbound on a 2-lane road. As we were driving down, I noticed a pickup truck was pulling a trailer, but the trailer seemed to unhinge and enter my side of the road. Being in the insurance industry for as long as I have been, a dash cam changes the game. A safety for a truck driver, a safety for the company. It helps with the risk aspect of insurance. We get the smallest incidents. We get some of our truckers getting blamed. A dash cam will prove in an incident where a trucker was not involved. I just bought my brand new truck. An automobile and a motorcycle collided right in front of me. And that prompted me to just make the decision to buy a dash cam. As I was shopping for a dash cam, Nexar dash cam stood out the most. As I bought the camera, I started noticing driving without a dash cam is like driving without insurance. As a commercial trucking specialist, after purchasing my camera and noticing the type of incidents that were happening on the roadway, I started making it imperative for all my clients to start buying dash cams. If a picture equals 1,000 words, a video recording equals 1,000,000.